In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery for a Lexus ISF remote. This also applies to other Lexus models as well. So the first thing you want to do is pull down this little latch right here and then pull the key out. Now next thing you want to do is I like to just pull it apart like this. Okay, it'll come right out, but if you want to, you can get the key, wedge it right here, and twist it. Just like that, it comes right out. Now if you were to not use the key, you could just pull it apart like this, because you have enough space to do so. Just like this. So now that I have the two pieces separated, I'll just take the part with the circuit board out. And as you can see, I have the part with the battery here. It's a CR1632. Now you can either get your fingernail, if it's long enough, to wedge it in there and pry it out. Or what I like to do is just get a small screwdriver and just wedge it in there and scoop it out ever so gently. It comes right off. You can find the battery on Amazon. I got a bunch of them for less than $5. The brand doesn't really matter. They're super cheap anyway. I got something I never heard of anyway. So all you gotta do now is take the battery and wedge it in on one side, just like this. These things are pretty small, so it's easy to drop. Okay, once it's in, just put it back the way that it came out. Match the orientation. Can't really get it wrong because it won't fit any other way. Okay, once it's in, just make sure that the top part matches with the back part. As you can see, these two buttons coincide with these two right here, and these two bottom ones coincide with these two bottom ones. Just pop it back on like this. And test it to make sure it works. There you go. Thanks for watching.